So yes, I'm Shuman Mitra, one of the consultant anaesthetists in Bangor Hospital, but I also have other hats on, one of which is the pre-hospital emergency doctor. And we have been running scenarios in collaboration with the Ambulance Trust as well as the Fire and Rescue. Today was a fantastic opportunity for us to come in a place like this. This is the Marble Church in Bodelwyddan, and it has got a spiral staircase that goes up to the bell tower. And we had a scenario where there are multiple casualties inside the spiral staircase. It's a very confined space. Potentially a situation that might arise, but the main idea of doing exercises like this, and we have been running exercises with the Ambulance Trust and the Fire Rescue as well as pre-hospital doctors over the last 4 years, is the joint operability of the emergency services. And today was a particular time when these services got together, and we ran a scenario where there's been multiple casualties, where the ambulance service was responding, the fire service was responding, and we have pre-hospital doctors who came as well. And on top of that, this was another fantastic opportunities for the medical students to come outside the hospital and see what happens in a situation where emergency services respond. It's raising awareness amongst the public as well. Like today I had a chat with the vicar of Bodelwyddan Church, and he was extremely pleased. He's invited me back to give them a speech as well. And it reassures them that we are training for these kind of situations. We understand all the options when something really bad happens. And it's the preparedness of the whole thing. We have got a fantastic support of the North Wales Clinical School with the mannequin and the technical support. We've got the support of the ambulance service for this kind of scenarios that we run, as well as obviously from the hospital trust, the health board for me to do this. It's a huge learning opportunity for junior doctors as well as medical students. And I think for myself, I thoroughly enjoyed this kind of scenario. I look forward to arranging these with the support of all the clinical team leaders and the fire rescue leaders, and we have got the support of the community as well for using venues like this. And I think it's important for a general awareness to be raised, because we do see a lot of bad things happen when we switch on the television. What we don't know is how people prepare to respond for that kind of situation. And I think these are the days that actually makes the difference in real life, and that's what the simulation scenario is for. So I'm really pleased how it went today, and I'm hoping that we'll get more involvement in future as well. And for the medical student, it's been absolutely amazing.